Hi, guys. My name is Joel Solomon. I'm your prosperity coach. And this week, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. First of all, you may notice the background. I just came back from Chichen Itza, one of the seven wonders of the world. And if you guys are interested in pictures, let me know. Just an amazing experience. The energy there was just incredible. This week, I'm going to be starting to do something different. We'll do it a couple of times a month, and we're going to be talking about stocks and stocks in particular that can make you become financially free. So, first of all, I have a disclaimer. All opinions expressed by me, Joel Solomon, on this YouTube channel or on my website, joelsolomon.com or Salamor, SALAURMOR.com, are solely my opinions. You should not treat any opinion expressed by me, Joel Solomon, as a specific inducement to make a particular investment or follow a particular strategy, but only as an expression of my opinion. On information he considers reliable, but neither Joel's opinions nor his affiliates or subsidiaries warrant its completeness or accuracy, and it should not be relied upon as such. Joel Solomon is not under any obligation to update or correct any information provided on YouTube or his website, salamor.com, SALAURMOR.com. Joel's statements and opinions are subject to change without notice. No part of my compensation is related to specific opinions I express. Note, past performance is not indicative of future results. Joel Solomon neither guarantees any specific outcome or profit. You should be aware of the real risk of loss in following any strategy or investment discussed on this channel or on my website. Strategies or investments discussed may fluctuate in price or value. Investors may get back less than they invested. Investments or strategies mentioned on this YouTube show or on my website, salamor.com, may not be suitable for you. This material does not take into account your particular investment objectives, financial situation, or needs, and is not intended as recommendations that are appropriate for you. You must make an independent decision regarding investments or strategies mentioned on this YouTube channel or on my website, salamor.com. Before acting on information on salamor.com or this YouTube channel, you should consider whether it's suitable for your particular circumstances and strongly consider seeking advice from your own financial advisor or financial planner. Note, Joel Solomon gives everyone 30 minutes free of prosperity coaching as well. Doing your own research might help you in your belief that you will make money. So with that disclosure, I'm going to be talking in a few minutes about a particular stock. But first, I wanted to let you guys know about two particular programs I'm doing in the month of March. One, I'm starting my next 3-month Money Miracles program on March 18th at 8 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Pacific. This is the one that has helped people manifest over $785,000. That's on average more than $10,000 per person. We're starting again. It's Thursday, March 18th. You're going to learn specific ways to manifest money. And the feedback I've gotten is just incredible. I'm really excited to be doing this again. It's a 3-month course starting March 18th. You can sign up on my website, of course, salamor.com, SALAURMOR.com. It's called the Money Miracles Masterclass. Secondly, I'm starting a new program with an amazing Infinite Possibilities trainer and trailblazer, Brenda Nagel. She has taught over 1,000 prisoners in the Rhode Island prison system, and we're going to bring this program to the masses. We're going to be teaching Infinite Possibilities and key money aspects that I teach in many of my courses to former incarcerated people and the families of current incarcerated people. If you know anyone, they can sign up again on my website. That's salamor.com, SALAURMOR.com, or click on the link in this below this video or in the email if you're watching this from an email I sent you. And believe it or not, it's less than $10 an hour. This workshop is March 19th, 20th, and 21st. We start at noon on March 19th. You can't make part of it. You can watch the recording. Less than $10 an hour, or a total of $149 for the whole weekend. It's going to be a life-changing event. You're going to learn how to start your own business, how to invest, how to maximize your money, of course, how to change thoughts to things, how to instill empowering beliefs from limiting beliefs, and how to use your intuition to make money. All of this and a lot more is in that course. It's 15 hours, again, March 19th, 20th, and 21st. Again, you can sign up on my website. And before I give you the stock, I wanted to introduce you to a good friend of mine. Her name is Terry Liggins. Terry, so each week I highlight a member of my network, and this week, my good friend Terry Liggins. Now, if you think you have a book in you and you want to learn the secrets to getting it to become a bestseller, her book camp is for you. Terry says the world is waiting to hear your voice and read your masterpiece, and she is here to make that happen. She brings 20 plus years of experience in the writing and book publishing industry. She knows the inside baseball of how to get that book to be a bestseller. Her amazing virtual book, 2-day book camp, is March 12th and 13th, just a couple of days away. And it features the world-renowned motivational speaker, Les Brown. And Les actually has a video promotion. If you are watching this from my email, click on that link. You'll see his amazing video about Terry Liggins' book camp. So you can sign up on the link, or you can go to theliteraryfront.com/workshop. That's http://the front front.com/workshop. You really, if you have a book in you, if you've been thinking about a book, you really need to sign up for this. And to have Les Brown in that course giving you tips is going to be just incredible. So now to the stock. Now, many of you know that financial services companies have been doing really well over the last few weeks because they do better when interest rates go up, because they can charge you more for your mortgage, for your personal loan, for any loans, any money you're borrowing from them. They will lend you at a higher rate, but they're not going to pay you more on your checking or savings accounts just yet. And so with interest rates have gone up about 0.5% in just the last 2 months, they're going to be making a lot more money. And the way it works is, depending on the leverage in the company, for every 0.5% that interest rates go up, they can make anywhere from 3 to 5% more return on their equity. And that should translate into 10 times that in the stock, 30 to 50% increase in the stock over time. So I'm going to be talking about Harbor One. HONE is the ticker symbol. And this stock, a bank that provides mortgages and does traditional banking only in the Northeast, in Massachusetts and Rhode Island. And I only look at stocks that through my 5-step proprietary stock screen. And this stock passed my 5-step proprietary stock screen in January. So the 5 steps, let me just show you the 5 steps, and you guys can see what they are. So here is the financial statement, the income statement for Harbor One Bancorp. So the first step is to look at their earnings. So this is the last quarter's earnings right here. They earned 33 cents. A year ago, they only earned 8 cents. So that increase is 313%, a huge increase in earnings. That's really good. We're looking for companies that grow their earnings at least 15%. They grew their earnings 300%. The next step is to see how much their revenues went up. So this company's revenues went from last year, 28 million to 32 million. That's a 16% increase. We're looking for companies that grow their earnings at least 5%. So they grew 16%. The third step is to see if that earnings growth is more than the revenue growth. And it is. 313 is more than 16%. So past step 1, 2, and 3. Now, the fourth step is to see if the price to earnings is less than the earnings per share growth. Now, this company grew the earnings 313%. The price is $11.95. So if you multiply the 33 cents that they earned in the fourth quarter that they reported in January down here, times 4, and you divide $11.95 by that, you get 9 times earnings. The company grew 313%. So 313 is much more than 9. And that's really good. So they passed step 4. Now, step 5 is to see how did the stock do on the day of earnings. So let's look at that. So they reported their earnings on January 28th. The stock went up 5.8%. So this company passed all 5 steps of my stock screen. Now, next week, I'm going to tell you how to calculate price targets, and we'll show you what my price target is for home. So the very last step I talked about in my disclaimer is belief. And I teach belief in all my courses. So step 1 is in the 9 Money Rules Millionaires Use is what do you believe? So what's your faith in home? Write it down, 1 to 10. And if you're not yet at an 8, 9, or 10, wait for you to get there. And you could wait for next week's video as well, where I'll go through how to calculate price targets and what my price target is for home. Because I'm looking for companies that have substantial upside. So you can make a lot of money, not just a little. So thanks for watching. I believe in you.